bear. It's from England. You ordered something from all the way from England? No, I won it! I entered a contest in my name, and so you could have the prize if I won, and I won! And it only took a week to get here. It's actually been sitting in the PO box for a couple of days because I didn't even get here that soon, so I wasn't watching the tracking yet. So I was surprised when it showed up. But happy birthday! Happy birthday, polar bear, even though that was a few days ago. That's okay. They mailed it on our birthday. Yes, they did. And when did it show up? On the 28th, like a week. Get quicker than the post office here. Them Royals are really good at their service. Yes, they are. Well, polar bear, I forgot the tripod. Yeah, I know. So we're going to put this on pause while I open it so we don't reveal any other addresses. Okay! Well, hurry up! You got it open! Let's see what's in here! Polar bear, I don't know who's more excited, me or you. I am! Yes, you are, polar bear. Okay, yeah, let's see what's in this, because I'm really excited to find out. Like the box. Oh my gosh, polar bear, there's something in here for you. Yippee! Oh, it's so pretty! Put it behind my ear so I can eat after the video. Okay. Yippee! Thank you, Brummie! Well, I was only expecting... Wow. Yeah, this contest only advertised one lock. Okay, that's the, yeah. Easily repinnable Euro cylinder. I've been having trouble with making it to 6 pins, so this is going to be very handy. Yippee! I'm glad you like it! I love it, polar bear. Thank you. Okay. And got a Yale Euro cylinder. Nice. Part number looks 8802-80. Draper Security 30mm mushroom pin tumblers. Nice. Yeah, I think I've seen one of those picked before. And oh my gosh, tiny little master lock box. Oh, this is cool. Haha, adorable. It's like only 20mm. Yeah, that'd be about right if the other one's 30. Yeah, okay. There's the bidding on that key. And let's see, we got, let's see which. Okay, I'm thinking. Okay, that's the key for that. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna have so much fun. Thank you, Polar Bear. Yippee! I done good! You did do good! Okay, that's the, bidding for the, Draper lock. Okay. No real definitive snap there, but I was kind of holding it on the shackle, so that may have affected that. And nice big key for that Yale. Oh yeah, I kind of like that keyway. A little bit of a challenge there. Oh, that's smooth. Oh, that's nice. And one hex wrench for removing grub bolts to progressively pin. Thank you very much. Is there anything else you'd like to say, Polar Bear? Yeah, give me my sucker! Yum, 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 yum.